Welcome to this training video where we're going to look at setting up the IR10 tag sets within XPA. In the first release of the NZ tax forms in the web, we haven't got the XPA to IR10 integration built, but this will be coming. And in the interim, we do recommend making sure that you have the IR10 tag sets in place for each of your entity templates. This will enable you to run a quick IR10 report from XPA to enter into the IR10 form in the web. In this training video, we're going to go through adding the IR10 coded template to the master template, and then we're going to go through creating the IR10 tag sets on a company template, which you can then follow to do partnership, trust and sole trader just in the same steps. So let's head over to XPA. In XPA, the first thing we want to do is open our master. So we can go File, Open Select, or we can just simply select this folder icon here and go to Templates. So we'll look at our master. Once we've got the master open, we can then open the tag sets from here. And we're going to copy. In here, this is where we're going to pick up the IR10 2013 coded template and select OK. You can then name this tag set whatever you'd like, and then once you've renamed it, just select copy, and that's now here in the master. We do this to copy the IR10 tag set labels and account code mappings into the master template. Now this enables the automatic tagging of accounts transferred from the practice master to your client ledgers. The chart of account codes are allocated to the tags for the IR10 based on our interpretation of the IR10 guide. So please review the tag set to ensure tag allocations are in accordance with your interpretation of the guide too. Now that we've allocated in the master, we now want to copy our entity files. So in this training video, we are going to look at doing a company. So we'll go back into here and select template, and then I'll just select my company template. What I need to do now is do a file, save as, and I want to save this as my IR10 company template. So I'll just rename it to make that clear. Once I've done that, make sure create new copy is highlighted and select OK. You'll see I'm in the saved file, IR10 company. So what we need to do here is open the chart from the shortcut here, or select chart and chart. What we want to do is pull in the master template, so we've got all the master accounts in this IR10 company account. So from here, we're going to select all accounts and let that run. The accounts are now in our company template. We then need to look at tag sets. We can access them from within the chart, or we could close this and we could go through this shortcut as well. So selecting tag sets from within here, I'm going to now select copy. What I need to do is pull in the company template for the IR10. When you go to do the partnership, trust and sole trader, you will be selecting the other template rather than the company one, which we're going to select here. Once you've selected the template, click OK. We've got the source tag set now for the company, and we've got our tag set name. Again, this can be renamed if you wish, but we just simply select copy here, and that will bring the shareholder current accounts and drawings in. The same when you do your beneficiaries, your partnerships and your sole traders, you'll see that it brings in the correct current accounts. Now that we've copied the IR10 company accounts, we need to bring in the master tag set where we've done our allocations already of the available accounts on the right hand side. To do this, you just need to select copy. We're going to pick up our master IR10 template and select OK. Then we're going to select the tag set that we want from that template. So we actually want to pull from the source the IR10 coded, and we want to put it in our IR10 2013 company. So you do need to name it exactly the same as the tag set that you've created within the template here and select copy. You'll be given this to say the tag set exists. Now what we are doing is we don't want to replace the existing, we want to merge the source into the existing. So here we're going to select no, and we're going to also select no. Let that run. And now you'll see all the allocations have been done for you within this IR10 company tag set. Now the final step here is we need to put the company IR10 tag set into the practice master as well, and you will need to do again this step with your partnership, sole trader and trust. So if we just close out of the company template and reopen our master, from here we're going to open Tagsets. We're simply going to copy, pick up our IR10 company, the one that we've just created from the copy, and select OK. And then we're going to bring in the company source tag set and select copy. And that will then bring in the company tag set into the master so that the selections are in there for each entity. This is important because it is going to ensure that when new ledgers are created, the tag set will be included when you select from the entity type to the master template within file details. And that's how to create the IR10 tag sets. So all you would need to do now is go back to the video and do the same for a partnership, a trust, a sole trader, and remember to select the IR10 other, not the IR10 company, when setting up that initial tag set. Once you've completed the tag sets in each entity, when you're in a client ledger, you can go to run the trial balance. You can come up here and select your IR10 list, and then from the IR10 report, you can simply grab those figures and punch them into the IR10 into the tax return. Thank you for watching this training video where we have seen how to add the IR10 coded template to the master template, and also how to create the IR10 company tag sets so that you can then rinse and repeat that across the other entities. Please enjoy the other training videos in this XPA series.